Bakit sa Hilton?
Hilton is here now.
Look, I see a rocket.
Oh, baka?
Yeah. No, it is a rocket.
Sa tower. Final yung mga mo is 8041.
8041. 8041.
Oh, where to go? To the right or to the left? 8041. You have to check the arrow. 8041 belongs to where? To the left, to the right? Which way to go? To the left, to the right?
This one is 8001 to 8023. This one is 8024 to 8073. So which one?
Which way? To the left. Here, come on.
Carpet.
Where? Where? Where?
Over facing the left side because it's odd. Yung view natin dito. Ah, hindi pala. Lumiko pa tayo. Grabe, ang laki pala nito. Here. 8041 na tayo. 8041.
Sa pawan mo.
So here's our room, guys. Welcome to the room. Hi, guys. Tan, tan. Hello? Masaya ka ba?
Yes.
Pag muna natin, guys, and let's do our room tour. First impression of Hilton, love. Nice, no? So, guys, from the door and to the left side is
Mirror on the wall.
mirror on the wall. Mirror. Whole body mirror. And then, dito yung ating toilet. Ay. Saan natin? Yan. And bathroom. Yan. So, here's the throne, the bidet, the tissue. Yan. So, meron din tayong mga toiletries. Complete with toiletries. And then, the shower area. We have towels. Complete set of towels. And this makulit na bata. And then, we also have here sa right side naman yung ating cabinet. Sa cabinet, ayan, so we have hangers, safety deposit, drawers. We have here,
Wow,
yan,
this is my great hiding spot.
great hiding spot na naman.
This is where I hide. Right here.
Ano ba yan? Mag-hide daw siya. Bathrobe, hotel sleepers.
Wow, look at these.
Lalagyan na ng maleta natin dito. TV. I don't know if the TV is smart TV. We have working table here. We have table and chairs. Our room view is city view. Later, buksan natin yan. So, we have this king size bed. Yan. So, we have mini bar here. Yan. Meron silang pa-chips dito. We have here is the fridge. Mini fridge na punong-puno ng drinks. And chocolates. We have here coffee, bottled water. So we'll be staying here for 2 nights. Ayan yung room. This is the room view, guys.
Who is there?
Gusto ko to labo, table tennis. Ayan, may access door. Open mo na lang.
Oh, I know the queen movie again. It just fell off there.
Yung sa TV. Ay, bunso, come here. Yung shoes mo dito sa reception. Only socks are allowed. Ayun o, may slide doon nga ako. Only small slide. Try to slide, my love. It's just a small slide. Try to slide here, my love. Bunso, doon o. Ali, I'm gonna wait for you here. Got to try. It's okay. Ready? Good job.
Whether you're here for work, or fun, or all of the above, we've got you. So come on. Eat something you can't pronounce. Feel something you can't translate. And see the world.
So guys, lalabas kami to buy some snacks. Good morning, guys! Actually, second day na nga namin today. So, we arrived around 4 o'clock ata kasi late na kami umalis sa amin eh. And then, nagpahinga lang, nag-roam around dito sa hotel, nagpa-room service. And, yun, natulog na. Pahinga tapos tulog na. Yun lang naman. Tapos today, we don't know yet ano bang gagawin namin. We're getting our breakfast muna. Come on, guys! So, from the hotel room, malapit lang yung aming elevator. Ito na siya, guys. Ay,
Mommy and Daddy are gonna play big chess.
yes. So, ito yung ano nila, guys. Pool area, chess area, playground, outdoor. Yes, outdoor playground. Ayun, no, tingnan mo yung bata nagbabike. Excited mag-play, oh. Kain muna tayo. Hi, good morning po. Ayo. Yes po. Kilala ka na nila dito. Pati yung sa baba.
You know what? Clarky, he will come later.
Oh, wow.
The Peppa Pig.
Oh, wow.
We
But
don't have that one.
they only have Peppa
We
Pig.
have the Peppa Pig. No.
Korean. Soup. Ito. Oatmeal. Arroz caldo. Steamed rice. Garlic rice. Ito ay soup, bok choy, siomai, siopaw, pansit, chicken apretada, dip and garlic shallot. Oh, pork kelayin. Hi, Porky! So, we're here na sa outdoor playground. Gusto daw niya mag-play. Kaso, ang init pala. Bidabs! Ang init. Tapos, katabi ng outdoor playground, itong malaki nilang pool area. Maluwag.
Wang, wang, wang.
Try to slide. Do you want? Siso? Oh, Daddy, go to the other side. Oh, dali, try mo with Dad. Okay, try. Yeah, this is a small slide, just like the indoor one. Daddy, help mo.
Nagapon pwede ka dito eh.
Mamaya. Exploring pa lang siya. Dali.
Really don't. I will take slow.
Yes.
Text no.
Yeah. It's boring. It's a slow slide.
You think
Basta siya maglaro. Gusto ko dun sa swing later.
Excuse me, my favorite show.
I know, right? Sige na. Careful.
Squeaky.
Tignan mo si Daddy, mauna pa kumain sa'yo yan. Nakikipag-unan sa'yo, Daddy mo. Ay, nako. Daddy, sabihin mo. Batang doon mga... Guys, dinner time. So, room service na naman tayo tonight kasi tamad na kaming lumabas. Kain, guys. Hey guys, good morning. Third day na natin today dito sa Hilton. And we're having a breakfast downstairs. And mamaya swimming si Enzo. And then check out na kami. Come on.
Come on, Sam.
Oh yeah, you can still swim. It's not raining.
Showtime.
later. We're going to eat breakfast first. Basta kami mag-breakfast, guys. We're going here sa playground and swimming. Enzo's gonna swim. Parang gusto ko rin mag-swimming tuloy bigla. Oh, hindi mainit.
Walang tao.
Ha? Walang tao masyado.
Swimming ka, kuha kitang damit.
Tara, tara, tara. Dito muna tayo sa swing. I like here. Dito tayo, guys, sa swim. Sa swing. Anong swim? Swing nga ni. Gusto ko dito. Alam mo naman, tayong mga millennials. Ay, nadi-disclose yung age. Dito tayo. I like swimming. Masarap mag-swimming pagkatapos pag-isipan ko. Go, guys. O, dalawa kayo dyan ng daddy mo. Hold ah.
No. See. Only see.
So, dito ka. Wow, galing ah. Thank you po. Oh, stay on the road.
Try for the pretty mug.
Yes.
It's spicy.
Yes. You have to go around. Good job. Lubog ka, lubog ka. Lubog ka, so. So guys, tapos mag-swimming and everything. We're going to the
Playground.
playground. So after playground, we're gonna check out na rin.
Okay.
Bye guys!
Yes.
Namamadali. Oh. Dito na siya. Sandwich again. I'm gonna be sitting down here lang sa corner, ha? So ito yung playground nila, guys. We've been here for 3 days. Araw-araw nagpe-playground. It's so rough.
Is it here?
Okay, I'll be sitting here. So we're trying to slide together. Come on. Come on. No. Okay, let's hold hands together.
But this time it's gonna be nothing.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready,
Madam,
set,
here
go.
we go.
1, 2, 1, 2. Sakina, 1, 2,
Okay.
3.